want to start with slide 3 and a quote as well. So, no fully credible census of deaf, deafened, and hard of hearing people has ever been conducted in Canada. Now, that's a quote from an article in Statistics Canada. And the reason this is a really powerful statement is because ASL is one of the top 10 languages used in Canada. Yet, we still have no credible source to include the folks who actually use this method of communication. Now, the reason that our own census is not accurate is due to the fact that the accessibility for the census for deaf individuals is limited. Now, for hard of hearing individuals, they're also not categorized as deaf, but they may require a lot of the same resources as deaf folks do. Now, the first thing is that English is not a first language for many Canadian deaf people who use sign language. The Canadian census is only offered in English and in French. Second, there is no video resource available that explains the content of the census or the questions made for the deaf individuals expected to answer these questions. This can lead to information being misunderstood, and that results in the recording of inaccurate information on the census. Now, in order to solve this, the government should provide an online version of the census. This way, deaf people can go and watch an interpreter and answer an online census without having to ask for help from other people. This way, deaf folks can be more independent, especially when it comes to sensitive topics such as politics.